morning. So let's talk about a few things. Your school day starts at 8:30. Okay. So that means every day at 8:30, you need to get on, sign into your Infinite Campus, and go to your schedule and look at it. Okay. You need to look at the slides before class time. So at 8:30, that's your time. Okay, I know I need to do my morning work. Today is this week's week 14. Today's Tuesday. I need to have that done before 9 o'clock. I need to look at my slides so I know what I need to get ready for school. Okay, I need to cut out anything. If I need to cut stuff out, I need to have it ready. Maybe go ahead and pull those reading papers out and put them in your reading notebook. Get your writing papers and put them in your writing notebook ready to go. We don't have time when class starts to wait for everybody to go find stuff. That's why I put it on the slide. That's why I have pictures on the slide. That's why I tell you what you need on the slide. So at 8:30, you can look at your day and get your day ready. Okay? So, morning work needs to be done when you come to class at 9 o'clock. When I say, okay, guys, what'd you put for number 1? I should have everybody raise their hand. Everybody should have an answer on their paper. We are in December. We've been in class together for 5 months. We know each other. We should not be embarrassed to talk on camera. We should not, we're done with that, guys. When Miss Hendricks says, what'd you put for this answer? Everybody should raise your hand. And when I call on you, if I call on you, everybody should immediately have the answer. Morning work should be completed when you come to class at 9 o'clock. Period. Okay? We have too much stuff to do and make up for lost time from last spring and we've got to get going. Okay? So let's look at your schedule. I'm going to present now. So what I mean is when you come in, 8:30, here's your schedule. Here's your schedule. You're going to click here for morning message. So you're going to hit present. Click here to go to morning message. That's what I'm typing right now. Okay. You're going to click this. I've gone back to Google Meets yesterday. Some things about Zoom are good, but I've been using Google Meet since August. I could not figure out how to get Zoom to where it sent my recordings. Google, it sends it straight to my email. I upload, put it back. It's super easy. So we're going back to Google Meets. So just click here. It'll take you straight to our meeting. Okay. So 9 o'clock. If you look up here, it says click here to go to morning message, 8:30 and 9. The links for lives are not on this. You have to go to the slide. So go back to the slide, click here at 9 o'clock. Okay. Oh, I need to be back to schedule. Reading 9:30. That means 9:30. Okay. Don't show up for reading at 9:20. Maybe we get finished with this at 9:10 today. Don't show up for reading at 9:20. Show up at 9:27. Okay. I don't want to be there early. I have stuff I need to do because we're on so much. Okay. Click here to go to slide. So first of all, you need to go ahead and look at the slide before 9:30. You need all of these papers today. You need to find all of these papers before 9:30. Okay. Go ahead. You can go ahead and cut this one out. This one you can go ahead and tear out. You can go ahead and cut these out if you want. Okay. If you don't have these cut out yet, that's okay. Don't try to do it on live. Fill it in. Then you can cut out after class. Okay. Click here to go to live. They are different links because when I'm on Google Meets and I record and then we close the meeting, it sends it to my email and it tells me what I've labeled it. So it will say morning work, reading, writing, small group, math. There's no question about it for me. Okay. That's one reason I like Google. I'm still in present. Back to schedule. Phonics, that's small group. Don't come to small group early, okay? Because I will have other kids. Here's the schedule. So I have a 5-minute overlap. I might still be in class. Carly, Stetson, and Gibson are at 10:15 today. So Bentley, Jim, and Peyton don't need to show up at 10:15. They don't need to show up at 10:20 or 10:25. Show up at 10:35, okay? Don't be late, but don't be early, okay? Back to schedule, 12:30. I have lunch duty from 11:15 to noon, and then I take my lunch from 12 to 12:30. Don't show up at the meeting at 12:15 for writing. Just, guys, don't do it. There's no waiting room in Google. I can't put you in a waiting room in Google if I already have the meeting set. So I don't need y'all in there talking and being silly, okay? That's the scary thing. So 12:30, writing. You need these 2 papers today, okay? Have those ready before 12:30, and then click here. Math, whole group, 1:30. Here's the page number. Yesterday, I had several of you. What page are we on? Where are we? What book are we in? Yesterday, there was a picture of the page that we're starting on with the page number. Today, it says page 810. It says volume 2 workbook. Okay? There should be no question. You need to have this found before you come to class. Okay? Simple as that, guys. Small group math at 2:15. Jalen, Abigail, and Gemma. I missed that yesterday. I'm sorry. I had an emergency happen. Specials. Here's a song with Miss Horton. And then I will add Miss Dooley back in case you guys didn't get finished with Miss Dooley yesterday. Well, no, it's still on there. Go click on that schedule. Both schedules are on today in your Infinite Campus, okay? Guys, we got to get this down, okay? Charge Chromebooks, complete all work daily, read 20 minutes daily, and Fact Fluency daily, okay? This was kind of long, but get your stuff ready, get your morning work done, and I'll see you at 9.